Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Your English teacher is here, Farzana kausar, and our subject is reader. Quickly take out your book, House for Sale. Dear students, today we have to complete our story, House for Sale. As you know, the whole family was interested in this house. Everybody was happy to see this house. So let's read page number 11. Dear students, you must have a pencil to encircle ed words and a highlighter to highlight difficult words. Have you opened page number 11? Good. Have a look what Kipper is doing. Look how naughty Kipper is. Kipper sat on a chair. Repeat the sentence with me. Kipper sat on a chair. Highlight chair and sat. Done. Now open page number 12. What they are doing? Look here, they are running in the garden. Read this sentence. They went down the garden. Repeat it. They went down the garden. Highlight garden, down and went. Done? Very good. Dear students, now open page number 13. What Kipper is doing? Yes, Kipper is climbing on the tree. Read these sentences with me. They looked at the tree house. Kipper climbed the tree. Repeat these sentences. They looked at the tree house. Kipper climbed the tree. Very good. Now, where are ed words? And circle those words. Yes, looked. And circle it. And climbed. And circle it with pencil. Now, with your highlighter, highlight they, tree, and highlight house. Very good. Now open page number 14. Read these sentences. Biff and Chip climbed the tree. They went in the tree house. Repeat these sentences with me once again. Biff and Chip climbed the tree. They went in the tree house. Very good. Now highlight Biff, Chip, went, and encircle with pencil ed word. Can you find? Yes, here it is. Climbed. And circle it with pencil. Very good. Dear students, now open page number 15. What Kipper is doing? Oh my God. Read this sentence with me. Kipper pulled a can down. Very good. Once again, repeat it. Kipper pulled a can down. And circle ed word pulled with pencil and with highlighter. Highlight these two words, can and down. Done? Very good. Now open page number 16. Dear students, this is the last page of the story. As you can see, everyone is very happy. Floppy is also very happy. Very good. Read these sentences. Everyone liked the house. Floppy liked it too. Once again, repeat these sentences. Everyone liked the house. Floppy liked it too. Very good. Now encircle ed words with pencil. Liked. In next sentence, again there is liked. Now highlight difficult words with highlighter. Everyone, floppy. Done. Very good. My dear students, here is vocabulary. Repeat these words with me for practice. Number 1, chair. Chair. Number 2, sat. Sat. Number 3, went. Went. Number 4, garden. Garden. Number 5, climbed. Climbed. Very good. My dear students, here is an activity of compound words. Dear students, when we join two words together to make a new word called compound words. Once again, I want to repeat. Listen carefully. What is compound word? Yes, when we join two words together to make a new word called compound words. Here is an example for you. Moon is a word and light is also a word. Both are different words and having different meanings. So, when we join these two words, we will get a new word. Fine, and its meanings will also be changed. Moon plus light becomes moonlight. I hope you have understood these words. So you have to complete all these compound words with pencil. Do this worksheet on a page and share to me on WhatsApp. Dear students, here is home task for you. Do reading of page 11 to 16 and revise vocabulary. Allah Hafiz.